what win rate would you give this strategy?
I've been trading VIP with 100 USD account. And right now, I'm at week 2. I'm at 1,200. I think you have somewhere to show. We are at 1,000.
So you started at $100.
Yes. Yes, I started at 100 USD. Right now, we are here. Let me show you. From date, I started VIP on day 16 or date 15. They are from date 16 up to here. From we started here up to here. Now it shows the history. What is the deposit there?
$104.
How much is the profit there?
1,296.
Very good. And then I have trades running like that. Do I have negatives there?
Okay.
I don't play stop loss. My trade is sure. Because when you analyze market from monthly to weekly, today, I swear the market gives you a story. We are heading here. We were here. We are supposed to do this. It's a communication. Me, you have to explain. If you tell me to analyze, I will explain my chart from beginning to end, and I will tell you why I'm buying.
Okay.
I'm not doing guesswork. So, and that's how you grow accounts. So I won't say it's 100%, but it's 90, almost 99. It makes me money. I really lose. Let me put it like that.
This is the Mind of a Trader podcast, where we cut through the noise, focus on execution, and break down the mindset behind every move. This is where discipline meets strategy. I am your host, presenter Ali, and this is where real traders sharpen their edge. Let's get into it.
The Mind of a Trader podcast, where we outthink the market.
And of course, we are with the one and only Madam Forex. It's not the first time we're having her on this podcast. Of course, it's always a good time. Last time you loved her, you commented the word class, and you said you need her back. And that's why she's right here to break down the simplest strategy that you've ever seen that was able to get her 10 million Kenya shillings on gold. Guys, believe me, we're about to have an amazing session with Madam Forex. How are you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you again.
People loved you and they said you have to come back, and I made sure that I bring you back so that you can break down your strategy. You just told me that you have the simplest strategy that many people, and you also mentioned that many people in Forex trading normally complicate this whole thing, and you're here to break it down into the most, for anyone who's like a baby.
Yes.
They can understand.
Yes.
First of all, please introduce yourself. Maybe there's someone who's seeing you for the first time.
Okay.
Just introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Madam Forex. Again, all Joyce. And let me say this before we continue. That is my voice. I had a lot of people asking about my voice.
Yes.
On our last video, for anyone hearing me for the first time,
Yes.
that is my
your
voice. Yes.
Amazing.
Tunaongea kakarala. Yes, Forex is easy. Forex is very easy. It has very little details you need to know. And that is what we're going to discuss today. We're going to make it short and in very short details. And
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, without further ado, guys, before we continue, I want to let you guys know that we're going to be holding the biggest Forex trading seminar in Dubai for the Kenyans, in Dubai for the Africans in Dubai. If you're in Dubai on 24th of September, stay tuned on my social media platforms. I'm going to be letting you know all about that. And this, of course, is courtesy of Zealand's Market. That's the best broker that you can actually trade with, giving you raw +3 commissions. You can never get any broker giving you that. Raw +3 means that for every lot size, you're only being charged a commission of $3. Most brokers actually charge you a commission of around $8, $10, $7, but this is like getting a 70% off on your trades. That means the money that remains, you can actually use to trade. Anyway, Madam Forex, let's go.
So we're going to discuss Forex, and now I don't know this. We will be having a conversation with you, so that it can be easier because it won't be like the other interview, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna start with Forex itself.
Yes.
So Forex, what is your idea of Forex, or what do you think Forex is?
It's basically foreign exchange, right?
Foreign exchange.
Yes.
Let me put it short. Forex is a trading of money.
Yes, yes.
Forex is a complete trading of
Yeah.
money. We trade oil, we trade BTC. At the end of the day, you're given what? Money.
Money, yes.
That is what you get. So Forex is a trading of money, and Forex is owned by the banks. It is owned by the banks, and they open it to the public through who? Brokers.
Yes.
We are together up to there.
Yes, yes.
It's owned by the bank. They open it to the public through who? The broker.
brokers.
The broker doesn't trade. The Forex is traded by the banks, who are called the market movers, and us, we are called retailers.
Yes.
Anyone who is not a bank is called
A retailer.
yeah, you hear Forex trader akisema sijui institutions and nini. Forex is completely owned by the banks. All right? So we go to the second thing. Three things which affect Forex. We're
Yes.
going to make it simple.
Yes, yes.
Three things which affect Forex. We have fundamental factors. Those are politics. We have economical factors. And we have technical analysis.
Yes, yes.
Kwa hizi zote tatu, in the three of these,
Yes, yes.
the only one you can use nicely to make entry and exit is technical analysis.
Yes.
Because there's no way you're going to tell me you trade fundamental.
Yes.
How are you going to trade with Singapore? Do you even know
What's
how
happening there?
what is revolving in Singapore? You have no idea,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So you can't trade with fundamental or economical factors unless it's news. Those who look for NFP and the rest,
Yes,
I
yes.
do not disagree, they can. But it won't give you an exit on an entry of a trade.
Yes.
So what it usually gives you entry and exit of trades is technical analysis.
Yes.
Are we together up to there?
Yes, we are.
So when you come to technical analysis, we are talking about candlesticks, we are talking about patterns, we are talking about, how are they called? Patterns, candlesticks, trend lines, and what have you.
Yes.
Right? So we're going to start. I'm going to make it, I don't want to make this video
Very complicated.
very complicated.
You're going to make it very easy. Yeah, that is
So-
what I love.
We're going to start with this. In Forex, there's something called a candlestick.
Yes, yes.
For buy is usually green.
Yes, yes.
For sell, it's
Red. Yeah.
right? A candlestick is a candlestick. But a candlestick is not a candlestick. We have different types
Types of
of candlesticks.
Yes.
We're going to look at them in a few. But not all of them. I'm just going to discuss
Yes, yes.
a few on top. Now, as much as this is a body, this is a
Weak.
wick.
Yeah.
All right? The upper side, the market, when the market goes up, down, up, down, up, the upper side is called what of the market?
The resistance.
It's got the resistance. The lower side is called
The support.
there's a reason I've drawn this and this.
Yes, yes.
For the market to proceed either to go up this level or to drop down to this level, it has to break the support or the resistance
Yes, yes.
with the body.
Yes.
The market was going up, got to a resistance. For it to proceed, it has to break.
With the body.
The body has to break so that you can proceed up.
Yes, yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
If the market goes up to the resistance and the body is, the wick isn't, hata ikwe juu aje, and the wick is up,
Inside.
yes,
Yeah.
like that, the market usually goes back.
Yes.
So, in short, what I'm saying is, for the market to proceed either up
Or down.
or down in a certain area, it has to break with the
With the body.
That's why even the wick doesn't really
And it has to
usually
close,
matters.
right?
It has to close.
Yes, yes.
You have to wait for it to close, but to confirm it has broken.
Look. Yes, yes.
We are together up to there.
Yeah.
So we go to the type of candlesticks. We have
Before we
doji.
proceed,
Yes.
just before we proceed, how do you differentiate, or what tells you that it's gonna actually move? How do you differentiate a true breakout from a fake breakout?
From a fake breakout.
Yes.
Can I explain that when we come to patterns
Okay, no
in
problem.
a few?
Yes, yes.
Because that one we will need to turn the laptop. So
No problem.
let me do this one here so that don't give him a hard time, right?
No problem. Okay.
So I will explain how you identify when not to trade.
Okay.
You're gonna okay. Let me just answer you now, Juju. It depends on what you're checking on in that market. Yes, and the time frame you're using. You can't just look at this and a minute candlestick closes above and then you close. Mostly I trade from 4 hours and above. I don't look at 1 hour,
1 minute,
30 minutes, 15
Yes,
minutes.
yes.
I do not do that. Mostly my entries I make with 4 hours.
Yes.
And it will depend on the setup I have or the pattern I have
Yes.
has been formed by which time frame.
Yes, yes.
We're together up to there?
Yes, yes.
So the market, if the market has to break the resistance or the support, this is on the general part of it.
Yes,
All right?
yeah.
So let's discuss on the candlestick.
Yes.
The candlestick part of it. You have to know the type of candlesticks for reversal.
Yes, yes.
We usually have a doji. We have a doji. There's a candlestick called a doji. I saw you discussing the last time. This candlestick means indecision of the market,
Yes,
and
yes.
it's a very risky candlestick to see in the market. Why? It has two functions when it comes to forex market. It's the only candlestick when it comes to the type of candlesticks we have. We check on forex, which offer two things.
Yes, sir.
It offer one thing like this. Let me draw it nicely. So a doji look like this, yeah? It shows indecision of the market.
Yes.
You have to be very careful where it appears in the market. Why? It shows reversal. Reversal is meaning the market was going up.
It starts going down.
Yes. Or it shows continuation of the market.
Okay.
The market was going up. It gives the market momentum to go even further.
So if you see it,
You have to be careful with it.
yes.
Because it does two things very nicely.
Yes, yes.
It does two stuff nicely. It shows reversal or continuation.
Yes.
And whenever it is formed, we're going to check. Whenever it is formed, the market usually moves. The next few candlesticks which are going to come after a doji, they move very
fast.
strongly.
Yes, yes.
So whenever you see it on a trend, like you're buying and the market draws, and that is not your resistance or your support, right? You have to be careful with it. Either it's going to push that market to that side,
Or it's gonna reverse.
it's going to reverse it. That is completely the work of a doji. We still have another candlestick called a hammer. A hammer look like this or like this.
Okay.
This one. It's called a hammer. It's a reversal candlestick. The color doesn't usually matter.
Yeah.
Now, this is what people don't usually understand is when they see a hammer in a market which has been formed, the market has been going up, it has formed a green hammer. People think that is not a reversal candlestick. It is a reversal candlestick.
Okay.
The color doesn't usually matter so much in forex. If it's green or if it's red, haja ni, it has really fulfilled
Yes.
the rules. It's a hammer. It has a wick on only one side. The other side doesn't. Even ukionataka dot doesn't usually have.
Yes.
It's a very important candlestick. Still, very commonly used. Let me touch on the last candlestick. There are many. There are 8 of them.
Yes, yes.
A spinning top. Like the body and the wick are almost the same size.
Yes, yes.
It is called a spinning top. It's the most common candlesticks used for reversal. So we have the rest, like I won't go so deep on them so that we can have time to look at the chart and analyze kiasi. So it's a common used candlestick. We still have bullish and bearish engulfing. We have, how is it, the other one called? We have Morningstar. And we have pin bars. There are 8 of them. There are only 8. I think I've mentioned all of them.
Yeah.
So you need to know them. They're very, very important
Yes.
when it comes to you drawing. That's how they come in. Because you're going to see them all over. You know, people tell you, I can see hammer hapa and the market didn't reverse. You have to be careful where you see them. Because you're going to find them all over. The market is just forming its own things as it moves. So you have to check where have you seen it?
Yes.
Where is the hammer? Has it been formed at the resistance or the support?
Yes.
You have to know them. There is where those candlesticks are important. We're together up to there.
We are good.
Yes.
We are good.
Go on.
That is really, really interesting. So what you're saying is these candles, they make sense when they are formed either here or here, right?
Yes.
So they have to be, for them to actually
To
align with what you're about
execute.
to explain, is that they have to be formed either at the resistance or the support.
Even they are the one which confirm to you if you're supposed to buy or sell, because there's no way you're gonna enter a trade without reversal candlesticks.
Yes.
We're gonna even check everywhere the market is reversing. You always have those reversal candlesticks. So it's very important for a trader to know them.
Yes.
It's very. They're just 8. Let me just mention it. It's a hammer. We have a spinning top. We have a pin bar. We have a doji. We have a morning star, evening star, bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. Only those. You don't want. There are others who are called marching, marching soldiers.
Yes, yeah.
Dropping what? It's education in Forex is too much out there.
Yes.
But with the experience I have for the last 8 years now, I think, those are the most important candlesticks you should know. They are very, very important.
Yes.
There's another one called long-legged dojis. They are very, very...
Many.
Those candlesticks, you should know them, because there is no way you're going to trade Forex
Without knowing
without
them.
identifying those
Candlesticks.
candlesticks. That is the minimum basics of anyone who wants to learn
So
Forex.
key point to note is you get to understand those 8 candles.
Yes,
Because-
just know them, how they look. You do not have to, like, you're executing a trade. Like, even if I give you a chart, you can tell me, Joy, this is a hammer. Joy, this is a bullish
Doji.
engulfing.
Yes, yes.
Joy, this is a engulfing. And that's it. So that when it comes to you making entries, whenever you see them on your resistance or your support, you are comfortable placing a trade there.
Yes.
Yes.
Amazing. Are we going to get right into the strategy?
Yes, we're going to get right to the strategy. And before then, strategy. Yes, we're going to get into the strategy.
Let's go.
But we're going to combine it with patterns.
Yes, yes.
Last time, I think the last conversation we had with you was pattern. I insisted people to learn patterns.
Yes.
The market usually move in terms of patterns, all right? So I think we're going to combine now this and
pattern.
whatever.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So I think we can turn the laptop.
So your strategy has a specific name,
The strategy,
or you're just using trend lines plus patterns?
trend lines pattern, I do not clone it anything.
Amazing.
I've never cloned my
Yes,
strategy to be at anything.
Okay.
Jina naitanga tu technical analysis ka tu venye Forex naita.
Okay.
Yes.
Now talk to us about these patterns.
Now, we have done with the candlestick. I've told you Forex is easy. It's candlestick patterns and analysis. So when it comes to patterns, we have different kind of patterns. When the market moves, it just doesn't move. And one thing I will say, this thing is coded. And banks works together. That's why we see the market drop to a certain area just once, and then it obeys those lines. We're going to see here. It's already arranged. That's why if you go to this called Forex Factory for news, you're going to see news for 2025, 2026 in Forex Factory. Actually, even they have written somewhere that a bank manager will give a speech, a chairman or what. You're wondering, interesting. So it's a pure bank
Game.
thing.
Yeah.
So let me discuss patterns so that I don't take much of our time.
Okay.
We have very different patterns.
Yes.
And I've told you the market usually obey what? It moves in terms of patterns.
Patterns,
And
trends,
it obeys patterns. You learn patterns, you crack the game.
Okay.
But still, you still need to know how to trade them. Not just saying head and shoulder, Quasimodo, flag. Do you know how to trade them? What are you checking? Now, when you come, let me now show you an example. We have a flag.
Yes.
A flag is like flag tu ya kawaida. No, how a flag look like.
A normal flag, yeah.
The market is originating from the lower side. It's consolidating on a certain area like this, going up, down, up, down. Now, our market has originated from what? The lower side.
Yes.
let me not say 99.9%, but that is the term I usually use most of the time. 99.999%, it's going to continue with the trend. They're just having a pause.
Yes.
So the market is going up, got it into a flag. The market is supposed to break, do a retest, and then proceed up.
Yes.
All right?
Yes.
Now, you're going to measure the distance of the consolidation, distant X.
Okay.
This is what called distance.
X.
Yes. Distant X is the distance our market is going to go on the upper side.
Okay.
Are we together?
Yes.
So when they break, the market does a retest and then it moves up. Distant X. Now, we're going to see it on Euro USD. So, Ali, if you have to do any analysis for Forex, right? You decide to do anything, analysis for Forex, usually start from monthly.
Yes,
You
yes.
can't just come and just go to 1 hour, 15 minutes. You're doing guesswork.
Yes, yes.
Those are the people who are usually afraid of NFE, afraid of news, what news zitatoka zifanye. So this is what you usually have. Our market is, you draw support, resistance, and support. Then you come to weekly. Our market look like this. Originated from the lower side,
Yes, yes.
came consolidated on this area. Okay?
Just like here.
Just like exactly what we have here. So we're going to draw a channel. Now, a lot of people don't even know how to draw channels in Forex. Someone is just going to pick a channel, place it for the sake of you. You don't just place the channel for the sake of, let me even properties, rewrite, perimeter, common, and put it a bit bigger,
Okay.
like that. Now, when you come to drawing channels in Forex, you don't usually draw the 3 dots where the market is. Our market is on the upper side. When you come to drawing trend lines or channels in, not trend lines, channels in Forex, you do not place the 3 dots where the market is. You place it the opposite direction, all right? And then you bring it up. What do we have? We have this.
Okay.
We have a bullish flag. Now, you're going to measure the distance of the bullish flag.
Okay.
That is the flag. The consolidation itself. That is the distance. That is the distance our market will go up. All right?
Okay.
That is on weekly now. The weekly has already updated you that Euro USD will go up to which level? Come, place a line. Now that's how you find entry and exit. They should be your entry. Your exit should be here. You already registered that in your head. Already we are not even in daytime frame. Now, let me delete this one so that it can be clear. We are supposed to cover up to here.
Yes.
Now, our market came and we go to daytime frame. We move to day. All right?
Yes.
Our market is consolidating on this area. Our market is consolidating on what?
In that area.
Yes. What I'm going to do another channel.
Okay.
Like this. Because at the end of the day, what do we have? We are supposed to go up. But our market is forming on the upper side. The 3 dots, place them on the lower side like that. And then here you have another flag.
Okay,
You can see
just-
how many levels. 1, 2, 3. Tell
Just for
me.
the sake of the viewer.
Yes.
Maybe, what are you looking at while drawing the channel?
The levels which the market is really... the market usually moves in waves. The market moves like this.
Yes, yes.
They are not usually for anything else. If you see a market coming like that and consolidating, as a trader, automatically you should know you're supposed to either draw trend line, because it can either form a wedge. I'm going to show about a wedge right now. Or the market is forming
Bullish flag.
a bullish flag.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Are we together up to there?
We're good.
So the market went up. You draw the channel like that. This is the distance our markets should go. This is Euro USD, right? You measure again. You can find another entry, a perfect entry here. You told me to talk about entries.
Yes.
Now, this is it. When the market comes and breaks here, and I've told you, the market has to close with a what? The candlestick has to close with the body
Yes,
on
yes.
top.
Yes.
We're together up to there.
Yeah.
So you have to wait for the market to go up here and close with the body. You can now place a trade. Now, another thing, you have to look at the size of the candlestick. In case it breaks, you just enter the trade. There's something called a retest. Sometimes the market comes and does a
retest.
If it hasn't broken with a very big candlestick, the candlestick is not that long. Like, you know, a candlestick can be this long. If the candlestick, the breakout is not that big, you can place your trade instantly. But if the breakout was so much, you can wait for the breakout. And another thing, don't come
For
and place.
breakout or for retest?
For you can wait for the retest.
Okay.
If the market breaks with a big candlestick, wait for the retest. But it breaks with a small candlestick, which is just near this line, wait. Another thing, don't come place your stop loss here.
You'll be liquidated.
Yes. What is going to happen? The market usually, it's going to dip, but they're going to make sure by the time they're closing that candlestick, the market is closed above the resistance, which was supposed to be broken. So at the end of the day, what I'm trying to show you is Euro USD is supposed to proceed up like that. And it's supposed to come up to here, which is the same distance our previous
Yes. Makes a lot of sense.
flag for weekly was supposed to reach. And that's it. That's how I analyze the market. I do not stay here, there, look for candlestick. My work for candlestick is for reversal to enter. If I'm looking for double top, double bottom, that is where I'm going to consider those. But the size of the candlestick, I'll consider when it comes to breakout.
Yes.
The candlestick is not that big, well and good.
Interesting.
Yes.
So this is how you look at a bullish market, right?
Yes, we can even check on even gold.
Let's check on gold.
Yes.
This is Euro USD. Let's check on gold.
Okay, so we're going to start analyzing gold. The whole chart of gold look like this. So I've told you, any analysis you do for Forex, you start from what?
Monthly.
Because monthly is what dictates what? The future of that market.
Yes,
all
yes,
right?
yeah.
So this is monthly for gold. Our market, this is from, our chart is starting from... our chart is starting from 2002, sorry. Our chart is starting from Feb,
yeah.
2000.
Yes.
So our chart has been like this. So I'll put it very simple how I analyze. I'll just take a trend line. I'll draw a channel. And people should learn to draw channels. They are the most important ones to know in Forex. Again, our market is forming on the upper side. The 3 dots, 1, 2, 3. You can never place them where the market is. And then we put it here. Now, what you're going to notice is this is a wick.
Yes.
It's not a body. So the market hasn't broken it.
Yes.
And if you check here, the market did a retest and then continue going.
So it broke with the body.
Yes. Retest and then proceeded up.
Yes.
You're going to measure distant X. Distant X is the distance of this channel.
Yes.
That is what gold is supposed to go on
Yes,
the
sir.
upper side.
Yes.
So we're going to measure it simple and clear. It's not that hard. You just do that up. That is the distance gold is supposed to go. You see, we are almost
Hitting
the tipping.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, that is crazy.
And you place your line there. So on monthly, we are almost done with whatever monthly dictated. Now we go to weekly. Because first, some people can make entries with monthly. You make entries with daytime frame. Monthly and weekly are for analysis purposes, unless you have a strategy or a pattern you're waiting for a breakout for monthly or for weekly. Because some situation, Forex will force you to wait.
Yes.
And waiting is still part of trading. That is something
Patience.
a lot of people should understand. Waiting is still part of trading.
Yes.
You waiting for the market to break a certain area, you're still trading. Yes, you're not getting paid, but you're trading.
Yes.
All right?
Yeah.
So let me push the market to the center. We have this. Now, our market on weekly consolidated here.
Yeah.
All right? We're going to place, let me put it a bit big. We're going to place a support. And then our market consolidated ikidrop. It didn't go straight.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
you're going to see a lot of traders, they'll come and place a straight line like that. It won't help you. This one won't help you because you can see where already it is so far from your entry.
Yes, yes.
This is what I mean. Delete. So take a trend line from the highest position, which is there. You dropped it like that. What is this? This, what we have here, is something called a wedge.
Yes, yes.
There's someone who is going to come and place it, the line there. Our market consolidated inside here for a week, for weekly. So what do we have? We have something called a wedge. A wedge usually behave like a flag. The only difference between a wedge and a flag is a wedge, we are coming from the lower side. A wedge is like this. This is what we call a bullish wedge in Forex. Our market consolidated in, out, in, and then it broke the upper side.
Yes, yes.
All right? It's supposed to proceed up. So we are supposed to measure distant x. Distant x is from here to here.
Yeah.
That is distant x. And that is exactly what we have here. This is what we have here. The way I told you, the market for Forex move in terms of patterns. So you measure distant x. Measure distant x mpaka hii week. Because it's part of the your movement. Yeah. So you have to place it even to this week and there, and then come measure distant x there, and then place it on the upper side. Hivyo tu rahisi. Ali entry umepewa, exit wamekupea, wamekumaanisha market inafika wapi? Inafika hapa.
So the market is likely to eat 37.90.
Yes.
That is gold.
Yes.
So how do you know if this will be this long position is going to take? Can you know how long it's gonna take? You just know it's gonna get there.
Your work as a trader.
So that's good for. Sorry. Okay. Just continue.
Let me answer you. Well, I get commonly, that is a common question I get asked by traders. How long is this going to take? Your work as a trader is to place a trade and sleep. Leave it, Bana. Just leave it. It's not your work. That is, you're overthinking, you're overdoing your work. Place your trade, relax. Can you relax? People wait for salaries for 30 days. But when it comes to trading, you do not want to hold a trade for 2 days, 3 days. You're like, oh, why are you panicking? Because you're not sure about your strategy. You're not sure why you place that trade there. And then you're so invested in placing stop loss instead of perfecting your analysis. And the difference between traders who make money and who don't is not about strategy. It's about patience. People don't have patience with Forex. They are very, you get in that trade, you're out. Me, I'm looking for, I'm usually shocked. And I told you, I'm usually shocked by these people who calculate. I'm looking for 50 pips. I have no problem. Because there are people who look for 50 pips, but he's using a very big lot. Yeah, but someone who is trading 0.01, what are you telling me you are looking for 50? What are you going to make? So what we have here is a wedge. Now I think that right now is a bit visible.
Yes, yes.
This market hasn't done a retest,
Yes, yes.
right? Yes. So another thing I'm going to educate people on, if you ever see a market which hasn't done a retest, which hasn't done what?
Hasn't done a retest.
And this is very common even in the rev. If you see a market which hasn't done a retest, we have a flag or you have a flag or a wedge, the market hasn't done a retest. Do you know what they usually do? And it took me so long to figure it out. Because you're going to enter trades, all of you mekimbizana, you are in gold because gold is just moving. It's attracting you to buy, all of you, because maybe all of you saw the wedge, which is okay. Now, what is the market going to do? They're going to get halfway. You see, from here up to here, they get to halfway. They go halfway a distance. Kutoka hapa hadi hapa waende halfway. When they're done going halfway, the market usually go back. And then, how many people will this market destroy?
Crazy.
Wakiendeanga hizo stop loss zenyu. Because remember, traders, the market movers, usually see trades in terms of percent. Like if you're 80% on buy, 20% on sell. The buyers are right, but they're going to destroy these buyers. Why? They make money through from retailers.
Yes.
Because they do not compete them versus them, because they're gonna kill each other. So who do they get money from? Retailers.
Yes.
And you're gonna lose. Ali, you hear people saying, "Oh, bank, when how much is it bank making from retailers?" Let me put it very pole. You lose 100 USD. How many traders are we in this in Kenya?
Very many.
In Kenya, let's say about 1 million. Multiply by 1 million.
That's 100 million.
That's 100 million the bank is collecting. We have Tanzania. How many countries do we have Forex trader? Forex happening. And this is from the lowest. This is 100 USD.
That is why it's a $8 trillion.
Exactly, industry.
Yes.
So where do the bank get money from? And you remember, we have institutions which are trading. That doesn't mean they do not make losses. They do. So the bank is getting a lot of money from the people. That's why you never see me here sitting down. I start telling you, we clarify Forex, Asian market, London market. That is rubbish. Have you ever seen Euro USD standing like this? It's not moving because it's Asian market. That market is always moving because it's a bank affair. If anything, I was telling someone, if anything happened to Trump or any president, let's say Trump, something happened to Trump when it's Asian market, you think Euro USD won't move?
Sure.
It will move like crazy because this affair is a complete, ni kupeana wanapeananga space.
Yes,
Like you move, you do this, they give each other space to
A
make
chance
it,
to
be.
eat.
Yes, everyone has to eat.
Yes.
So it's a complete 24 thing bank affair. That's why it's moved 24/7.
Wow.
All right. So we have this, and it's exactly what
It's happening here.
they didn't do.
ALITRADES.
So the chances of this market coming here and going up,
Liquidity sweeps, right?
liquidity sweep, because it has already brainwashed people
That it's moving.
Yes, but if you took your trade around here, you see the candlestick which broke wasn't that big. You could have taken your buy. This doesn't have to worry you.
Yes, because it will just come
Yeah,
right here and
yes.
go back.
Yes, back to your trade here, then go back up. It's as easy as that. We do not use local science. Easy peasy.
This is quite, I would say, a very simple strategy for anyone who's been, in the industry, who
Yes.
understands the basics, someone who actually can grasp this.
Yes.
How long did it take you to master this?
Usually in Forex you learn every day. And it's not about mastering. I studied what is important in Forex and what is not. And there was something I was telling you about Forex itself. Let me talk about Forex, Euro USD and the rest. Yeah? Forex is controlled by, let me say 4 pairs. I won't put them like 4 pairs, but let me put them as 4 pairs. We have the dollar index. Before you trade anything in Forex, either be it Euro USD, Pound USD, Audi USD, you have to check on the dollar index. Why? Because the dollar index goes opposite direction of Euro USD, Pound USD, and Audi USD. They never go the same direction. You remember we saw Euro USD has a bullish flag. Do you know, let me show you. Do you know dollar index has a bearish flag?
Okay.
We can check. You go on. Dollar index. Yes. Let me put the other background. So the dollar index, put this on white, this on black. So on let me go on Euro USD. This one. On Euro USD, we had a bearish flag. We had a bullish flag.
Bullish flag, yeah.
Bullish flag. So this is the dollar index on monthly. So I've told you what we start analysis from monthly. What do you identify first with the dollar index? First, because as a trader, you trade what you see. Do not think. Stop thinking. Just look what you see. I'm asking you, what do you see here? Just tell me what you see. Not about candlestick.
I
what
see
you
patterns.
See. You see patterns.
See, there's this pattern, this pattern, this pattern, this pattern, this pattern. Wow.
You have answered like others two traders. Ungeniambia too simple. The market is dropping, then went up. That is what I wanted you to look.
Oh, the market is dropping? Okay.
That's why I'm telling you, do not overthink.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
So it's simple as this. What have you seen on the chart? The market is dropping, then went up.
Up.
That is telling me, as a trader, our market went down. So I'm going to draw, because the market dropped, then got to this, the pattern zigzag you're saying. We're going to draw a channel. First of all, our market is forming on the lower side.
Yes, sir.
The three dots goes on the upper side of the market.
Yes.
Bring this one down. So you have a market which look like that,
Yes, yes.
right?
Okay.
So either this market can come up to here, or high chances this market will come up to here or continue doing its own thing. That is on weekly. That is on monthly, sorry. We go to weekly. Now, on weekly, I told you Euro USD, dollar index is Euro USD, inverted, upside
Down.
Good. We went up. Our market consolidated. Our market consolidated here. You see, we are narrowing down to where the market is.
Yes, yes.
So you come and draw a channel again, another channel. There's a reason I don't like using trend lines, because they won't be accurate on both sides.
Okay.
But I usually use trend lines also, but I will show you in which scenarios. Now, like that. Now, what we have, this is a bearish flag. They broke, did a retest, the market is supposed to drop down. So you measure the distance of the bearish like this. This is the distance the market should cover on the lower side.
Crazy.
Is it near the first
Yes,
channel?
yes. So it literally looks opposite of what we drew.
Yes,
the other time.
they are all related.
Yes,
If
yes.
I show you right now, Audi USD, the pairs which Audi USD controls, it controls 8 pairs. They all have the same chart. And then even the crazy part is, apart from the dollar index, even USD chef, USD chef goes completely opposite of Euro USD. Even if you check them, the chart are the same. Like,
That is crazy.
so it's very easy to clarify Forex. If you know where the dollar index is going, you know where Euro USD is going, pound is going, and Audi is going. Because there's no way they will ever go with the dollar index. They are against the dollar. It's the euro versus
The dollar.
dollar, pound versus the dollar. So there's no way the dollar will be going up
And they will also go
and
up.
Euro USD is still going up. It doesn't happen like that. So, and the reason why I usually say this is more of a technical thing, because if we go now to Audi USD is followed by New Zealand USD. Now, how is New Zealand, a different country, having an exactly the same chart as the Audi USD? If Audi USD move up, New Zealand move up. If Audi USD drops, they drop. Now, it usually dictates for Audi USD in New Zealand. Audi USD dictates for New Zealand USD, Audi GPY, Audi CAD, and they are very obedient to their mother currency. That is what we call in Forex correlation, positive correlation, those pairs which follow their mother currencies are Euro USD, Pound USD, and Audi USD. That's why I'm telling you, if you know where dollar index is going, you already know where the rest of the Forex market is behaving. You don't need to keep on checking what. Even, and another thing, for this CAD JPY, USD JPY, we really need to check on gold. Why? Because of BRICS. You remember BRICS? BRICS took over, and China, they have their own reserve currency in terms of gold. So whatever happened to gold, it will going to affect to JPY. If gold gains a lot of strength, any pair against JPY will drop. Yes, the issue is when that pair has strength and gold has strength, so JPY you're going to find those pair consolidating sometime, all right? So, in short, even when you're going to trade a pound JPY, anything with JPY, it's very good to know about gold. They are quite related.
That is crazy.
All right. So if you trade any gold, any JPY pair, just check on gold. How is gold behaving? Is gold going to go up? If gold is going to go up, meaning any pair which has JPY, high chance is it's dropping. High chances do not. Now, right now we have gold going up, right? You can confirm.
Yeah.
We have gold here going up. Where is gold? We have gold going up. Now, I want us to check on a minute. I want us to check on USD JPY. Forex is related. They're very much related. Everything is related. Everything is combined. It's a small cycle. It just have too much information, and then people have really customized on too. It has too much unnecessary. Let me
Jargons
say
and everything.
unnecessary. Oh my! I wasn't to do that. I was to do this. What am I doing? When I've placed GPED in trade properties, foreground, I want it to be black. And you will see, like literally, we're going to find, you have seen gold is going up, right?
Yes.
So we expect to find USD GPY going on sell,
Yes.
right? Right. I wasn't to place anything. Let me delete. So, on weekly, because this is USD JPY, no connection. I think this one is affecting someone is calling and affecting my internet. It's back.
Okay.
So, if you see like yesterday, I want us to check on something. Like yesterday, you see USD GPY is going up. But it's struggling to go up.
Yes.
Why? USD is strong. USD
Yeah.
at the moment is a bit strong. It's not dropping. And GPY is still strong. Why? Gold is going up. So what is going to happen in the market? It's consolidating in one. Like we are just staying in one area.
You're not moving.
We are not moving. So if gold decide to drop kidogo, they take advantage. Yes, and the market move very fast. Those are not ordinary candlesticks. They are ordinary candlestick. It's the market movement. Now, they take advantage. If this one drops, if we are consolidating too much. So if this one lose a bit of strength, and this
Momentum.
one has still maintained, that's why you see the market spiking.
Spike. Yes.
No, the people do not understand. People you say, ni news. The market has to go somewhere. It has patterns to obey. Even pound USD, the reason pound USD is moving right now is because it has a pattern.
Crazy.
Yes. So
Crazy. I would say easiest genius masterclass. I mean, that was the easiest thing that I've ever seen since I ventured into Forex. The way you explain it, the way you dissect it from the candles to understanding the patterns and getting to see the market direction. And I mean, getting to understand also the fact that the easiest thing that you should actually focus on is just to try and see where the market is moving. I mean, that is amazing.
first identify, yeah.
That is really good.
We identify the direction of the market.
That is the playbook we're looking at.
Yes.
Identify the direction.
Yes. The market itself is, as you analyze, it will show you the patterns, but you need even to know the pattern first. 2, know the time frame those patterns are formed.
So let's start.
Now you are asking, now we are going to fake breakouts. We are heading now to fake breakouts.
Let's start. First things first, the patterns.
Yes, learn the patterns. No. Basic things. Learn reversal candlestick. I told you there are 8 of them, which we started with. Yes. 2, learn the patterns. They are not many. We have flag, bullish, bearish flag, wedge, bullish and bearish wedge. We have Quasimodo, we have head and shoulder, we have cup and handle. But you really need to know how to trade them. And then they are not usually obviously displaced by the market. Venye sisi uiona hapa. How you see it here, Mungu Baba. Hapa. No, the issue is that.
Yes.
You know it here, but when you come to here, it's an issue. Now, that is why I tell traders, you need to spend time on your laptop.
You need
There's
to
no way.
spend time in
There's
the
no way you'll
trenches.
be like me, and you do not. You rarely even pick your laptop. You don't pick, or you go 2 minutes. You're looking to do 15 minutes. You do your own thing, and then you are done. I know the agenda is to make money, but the agenda is to make a lot of money without stress
And consistently.
and consistently, without you being scared of using a big lot. But a lot of traders invest a lot with stop loss, and I've told you that. That is their problem. Their biggest problem is that. And I'm not against stop loss. You can use it. Perfect your skill and have your stop loss, because we are not 100% sure. But when you perfect your analysis nicely, it becomes very easy for you to place a trade, and you sleep the whole night comfortably. Even it's easy for you to hold a negative for a week, and you're okay with it, because at the end of the day, the market will go. And I will tell you, the same strategy here is the same strategy I use in the div, because this and the div are one and the same thing. It's one and the same thing. There is no difference. It's one and the same thing. The strategy you're using here, the strategy I use in the div. And I just use 2 minutes. I'm done. I don't need to stay there. No, people ask me, how are you teaching people? And still you are trading. I tell them I stay with my student 24/7 on a chat. And whenever I go home, I'm ever with a laptop here. It's a 24 cycle, you and your laptop. You have to be addicted to it so badly. And let me tell you, it's the day it embraces you, it's become a walkover, and you're watching people and you're wondering.
What are they doing?
Yes. So we continue. So you see, the market is not moving anywhere. Why? Because gold is strong, and gold has moved. So USD is strong.
JPY is weakening.
No, gold is strong. When gold is strong, GPY is strong.
Okay.
They are together.
Okay.
I've told you they have backed their money on gold.
Okay,
So
yeah.
whatever happened to GPY, whatever happened to gold is going to affect GPY. So gold has given GPY strength, because whenever gold goes up, it gains strength, JPY gains strength because of the bricks.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow. If you are actually interested in this masterclass, getting to understand deeper this strategy, please do reach out Madam Forex. The link to her Telegram community is actually in the description. Before we finish,
Yes.
I want to understand, what win rate would you give this strategy?
You know me, I've been trading VIP with 100 USD account. And right now I'm at week 2. I'm at 1,200. I think you have somewhere to show. We are at 1,000.
So you started at $100.
Yes. Yes, I started at 100 USD. Right now, we are here. Let me show you. From date, I started VIP on day 16, or date 15. From date 16 up to here. We started here up to here. Now, it shows the history. What is the deposit there?
$104.
How much is the profit there?
1,296.
Very good. And then I have trades running like that. Do I have negatives there?
Okay.
I don't play stop loss. My trade is sure. Because when you analyze market from monthly to weekly, today, I swear the market gives you a story. We are heading here. We were here. We are supposed to do this. It's a communication. Me, you have to explain. If you tell me to analyze, I will explain my chart from beginning to end, and I will tell you why I'm buying.
Okay.
I'm not doing guesswork. So, and that's how you grow accounts. So I won't say it's 100%, but it's 90, almost 99. It makes me money. I really lose. Let me put it like that.
Wow. Before we finish, anything you'd like to tell anyone who's watching and they feel like Forex is so hard?
Forex is hard.
It's hard. Forex is complicated. Forex is for the gurus. Forex is for people who've spent 10, 8 years in the industry. What would you like to tell them?
First of all, let me clear this one up. I made my first million in my second year doing Forex. Remember me telling you that the time I made my dad to retire and shit. So what I will tell anyone who is coming to Forex, first of all, it won't be easy. And you do not need people to discourage you. Forex itself will. The market itself, in the rate in which it moves, it will discourage you. First, you need to embrace yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Two, stop following people because of their lifestyle and things. Follow them because whatever they do will impact you. It's not about making money. Find a strategy which is going to work for you, which is not complicated. Forex si vocabulary. I don't think umesikia nikiongea hapa vocabulary zozote. I hear people, how they call there are people who ICT, wanasema Forex ICT. Those are the people who use very hard words in Forex.
Yes. ICT concepts.
Yes. What I would tell a new baby is you can do it either with a mentor or not. It's possible. Two, it's not hard. It just has a lot of information. Just need to know a bit of small things. Three, when you perfect your game, stop looking at everyone's analysis. Can you mind your own family? Mind your own job. See, you have traded there. You're asking everyone, what are you trading? What is the sabbath? Can you come down? Can you give the market time? 2, 3, be patient with Forex. It doesn't mean that when you place, it pays you. It doesn't owe you. 3, control your emotions. Forex doesn't care. We do not want to know, hizo pesa ulitrade nazo, are they loan or burial? The Forex doesn't care. The burial ulibayo ama it's your own rent. You have decided like, before rent load, pick the rent. Forex doesn't care. So take your emotions somewhere else. When you're beaten by the market, go back to a demo account. Practice there. Because people deposit money, they lose money. They never go to demo to practice. He's looking for more money.
To go and give the market.
Yes, you see, you are blowing a lot of money. And another crazy thing I find, people don't like depositing. You do not know how to trade, but you want to deposit $50, $100. You don't withdraw anything. You keep depositing. When you look at your history, you deposited 1,000 USD. If you only waited for you to
get that skill first.
Yes, and bring the 1,000 USD to trade, it will be easy on your side. Forex is easy, and it's not about vocabulary. It's very, very simple. It's very simple. Be easy on yourself. Do not overthink. Trade what you see, not what you think the market should do.
Yes.
I repeat again. Trade what you see, not what you think the market should do.
Wow.
So that one comes to when you perfect your analysis. But it's not hard. Right? It's not hard. No candlestick, no patterns. Learn patterns vizuri. Like you know them, if you can identify them.
Fingertips.
Then for you to be able to see them, because on the market, right? Make sure you stay a lot in your laptop. Usikue kama mimi ati unataka you close your laptop stay there, practice a lot. You see someone doing something, drawing trend lines. Just want to know, how does this person do? How do you make entries? May I make entries, the market breaks with 4 hours, but it will depend. Is this pattern formed with 4 hours or daytime frame? If it's 4 hours, I'll trade with 4 hours. But if I can't see that patterns on 4 hours, but I can see it on day, I'll trade it with day. Because 4 hours, if I trade it with 4 hours, a breakout of 4 hours, I'm going to find a lot of fake breakouts. That is a difference. So you have to identify, what are you seeing? All right?
Wow.
And yeah.
Thank you so much, Madam Forex, for coming to and I almost said entertain, for coming to enlighten us on this. Maybe where can people find you?
My office is located in Kiambu Town, Mapa House. My page is for Facebook. I'm called Madam Forex. On Telegram, I'm still called Madam Forex. I'll leave the link and everything. The number will be there. So you can call me, you can text me. It's still here. also people when they call, they're like, "Are we talking to Madam Forex?" I do not have a secretary yet.
Yes.
So whenever the number which will be there, and my Telegram. I usually do live videos on Facebook a lot. So yeah, they can come and join in. I don't mind people watching me analyzing the market.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I also want to remind you guys that this video has been proudly sponsored by Zelance Market, the broker that I do recommend, the best broker that gives you the cheapest or the most affordable way to trade. That is raw plus 3. For every lot that you trade, you're only being charged $3. Most brokers will charge you 8, 10, even $12 to actually trade. What this means is that you're going to get a lot of money that you're saving to actually trade. The link is also in the description. Feel free to also join our free VIP signal group, and of course connect with Madam Forex, talk to her, tell her anything you want, including kumsalimia, na pia you can actually join her VIP group and also our class. The number is in the description. I'm your host, presenter Ali. This has been the Mind of a Trader podcast. I'll see you guys in the next one.
The Mind of a Trader podcast, where we outthink the market.